Since its beginning in 1958, Hugong has become one of the largest welding and cutting equipment manufacturer in China. For its quality welding equipment, Hugong offers complete solutions for welding equipment, CNC laser cutting equipment, CNC plasma flame cutting equipment, robotic lines, and IoT welding and cutting management systems. Includes 18 different series.
More than 2,000 SKUs.
Publicly listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange, Hugong has built an extensive, integrated worldwide sales and service network. It covers thousands of outlets. The sales network has expanded into 110 countries. Hugong has attained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 approval, including automotive manufacturing, offshore operations, power generation, shipbuilding, construction machinery, petrochemical equipment, pipeline, steel construction, bridge building, pressure vessel fabrication, general industrial manufacturing, and etc. Total Welding and Cutting Solutions. Shanghai Hugong Electric Group.